Cyber threats are constant and growing more advanced by the day. That's where Security Operations Centers, or SOCs, come in. SOC analysts are the frontline defenders, detecting, analyzing, and responding to attacks in real time. Our SOC Operations for Analysts is a 20-hour hands-on cybersecurity course focused on the practical aspects of detecting and responding to cyber threats. Designed for IT teams or junior cyber professionals, this course equips students with fundamental skills for effective security operations. During the course, you'll gain a solid understanding of SOC operations, install and work with Splunk in a virtual environment for security information and event management activities, and explore key security event sources, especially within Microsoft Windows systems. Wawiwa also offers additional cybersecurity upskilling courses for all audiences and levels. A wide portfolio of follow-up courses will be available for you and your team following this course. So if you want to understand SOC operations better, take the fast track to tech and sign up today.